Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm so glad you guys decided to join me on this crafty journey. I would also like to thank all my old subscribers who have been here to support me from day one, and thank you guys so much for all the kindness, the love, the support, and everything. So it's really greatly appreciated, and I am so grateful to be a part of this crafty community. So thank you guys so much. But before we get started into what I will be sharing here, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be doing quite a few upcoming destashes. If you're interested, I might do that video after this video, so keep an eye out for that. And then other than that, yeah, that's what I wanted to share, and I'll probably post majority of those destashes onto my Instagram as well. So if you want to contact me there, you can always DM me there. So me and Angela, she is Glitznglamcrafter on Instagram. I will make sure to link her Instagram down below. Make sure to go check her out, show her some love and support. She is an amazing crafter. She does beautiful work. So the reason for this swap was because she couldn't find any of these velvet ribbon. Oops. So I got her some of those. I got the light pink, the hot pink, and the red for her. So she was looking for those, and I told her that my Dollar Tree has them, so I was willing to send those out for her. So she decided to do a swap with me. So I hope she likes what I have created here. So for our swap, we decided on Embellishment Box, a set of embellishments, a Memdex Card, and a sequence mix. So that's what we did, just a little small swap. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the sequence mix. So this little container here is from the Dollar Tree. So I did create like a belly band type of thingy to wrap around the bottle piece. So that's what I did. I just measured it out, and then I measured out the inside piece as well, and then I used the Dollar Tree scalloped die to cut that scallop edge, and then I just added a foam sticker. Excuse this, I burned myself like a few days ago, so I didn't want you guys to see that ugliness, so I just covered it up. But anyways, and then I just stamped your super sweet sentiment and then cut it out as a banner. I created this inspired by Lori flower, using the Dollar Tree filler vase little balls, and yeah. So I will open this up to share with you guys what the sequin mix is. I will pour it out in this pretty pink plate so you guys can see. So here is the sequin mix. So we've got lots of reds, there is light pinks, there is clear, there is hearts, there is XOs, there is stars, there are flowers. We got some white iridescent, some clear sequins, all these fun mix of sequins. So I hope she likes that. Oh, and those itty bitty like hearts. So there's that. I will put that back inside the container later. Okay, so the next thing is the Memdex card. So I did share this previously in my other video. It wasn't decorated. All I did was just added some of the like silky ribbon, created a bow, hot glue that, and then added a tag and a piece of cutout that says sweet with a strawberry on it. Then I added a foam sticker that says XOXO. So that's how that looks like. And then on the back, I just have my information on there. And it looks like that. And the inside of this actually holds the handmade flowers that I usually make. They're like roses. Then at the bottom, there are some greeneries that she can use on the flowers. So there's that. It's like a box of chocolate, but instead of chocolate, it's a box of roses. So I thought that was a cute little idea. And it's a Memdex as well, so she can put it on her Memdex roller. So there is that. All right, so the next things are the set of embellishments. So I went with the mini embellishment, and this is how I will be packaging them up. I will take it out of the package. So we have 2 sets of the red rosettes, and they look like this. I did create a like acetate backing for it. It's laminated sheet with chunky glitter, and I thought that turned out so cute. It's so like dazzling, and it just makes the packaging so much like better. So we've got these red ones here, and then I kept the bag topper simple and added a bow because there's a heart cut out here. I didn't want to take away from that, and plus the embellishment already is a little much. So here is the like brighter pink rosette, and then the back topper. I'm not going to try to put that in because it's a little hard. So that was supposed to be my set of embellishment, but I went a little further and then created these ones here and this bag topper. Oh, I forgot to mention that this heart cutout bag topper is from Kscraft. I will make sure to link everything down below. This piece here, the bow piece, is actually from Maricela. We did a swap a few years back for Valentine's, and she was so kind enough to send me a whole bunch of die cuts. I didn't have any dies or a die cutting machine, so I was so grateful to have those. So I kind of hoarded it for a little bit, but I'm like, I need to start using things, you know. So these are the embellishments. I created one of each color. So we got the hot pink and the red. So these just have the cute banner pieces. We've got some of that mesh back there, that die cut circle with the hearts, so you can see that gold. We got the Dollar Tree wood veneer red flower, and then we've got the dove, and then it says love here. Then I've got some greenery around that just to make it a little fun. Then same thing with hair, did the same thing, and that's how those came out to look like. I love them so much. It turned out so cute. And then some more extra for her. So once again, this is from Maricela. Super cute. I'm finally trying to use up my stash. So whatever I have, I'm sharing and I'm using up. So yeah. And here I just have these super cute bows that I created. And then added some of the gold thread between it. I think they turned out so cute. They're like the perfect little size for any type of, you know, embellishment. A little extra for her. I hope she likes those. And then I have these handmade heart crochet that I will be sending to her as well. I wasn't able to find a bag that fit this size, so I just used the laminating sheets and then I just stitched it all around, and that's how that looks like. So I hope she enjoys those. And then the embellishment box looks like this. I have a cluster of flower here, and then this super cute penguin. This is a Kscraft die, so I'll make sure to link it down below as well. And then these here are Sizzix dies, so if they are still available, but I will still make sure to link them even if they're not available, just in case if they do come available, then yeah, you guys can purchase them. But yeah, I love the penguin so much. I'm so glad I got it, because this penguin die, you can literally use it for all the seasons, you know? So I love that about her. And then I just have the origami hearts, then I added love, and then this cluster of flower with the greenery. And then what I did back here is, this is my first time doing like the tearing paper technique, and then I try stitching the paper. I'm not really good, as you can see, but it gives it a little bit of a character, I guess. So let's go ahead and open up what is inside. Let me try to move this stuff a little bit out of the way. So on the inside here, I covered it up so we don't see the hot glue. So it just says 2022 Embellishment Box Swap, Handmade with Love by Crafty Mama Panda 9. And then here is the embellishment box. I love how it turned out. It's super cute. I did create a little like protector so that nothing moves around. So there's that. I won't be digging into this stuff. I think you have seen, you know, all these little things before, like the flower, the heart erasers. Let me pick it up. And then there's the boombox eraser, which these are great to turn into charms. And then we got the flowers. We got some stickers here. Some acrylic hearts, acrylic lips, acrylic bow, and crystals. And then here we have some puffy hearts. Sorry, I see it a little here. Puffy hearts. And then we got these flat back like hearts that are from the Michaels. It comes in like 3 different colors, a lighter pink, and a red. We also got this sticker here, which are red hearts, and this bright pink. And then we got some red lips and bright pink lips as well. So there's that. And then we've got beads and charms in this section here, and then some pink and red flowers. These were gifted to me, and so were these by Maricela, and I'm sharing some of these with Angela, so I hope she enjoys those. And then here I created these bows. I handmade them. I'm not sure, but I think I want to make some of these and put them on my Instagram, or even share them on here on YouTube. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this, let me know. I'll probably make some just to test the waters and see if people are interested or not. But yeah, they are so stinking cute. So we've got 3 of the light pink, and then like a more, it's actually supposed to be like a hot pink. I don't know if it's coming out to be hot pink like this paper, but yeah, that's supposed to be hot pink. So there are those bows. I hope she enjoys them. And then here I created some flowers. I also included these ones in that section there. It's in there, you just gotta dig in there. I also made some mini rosettes. There are 3 in that slot there. And then in this section here, we just have loads of enamel dot stickers. We got the bigger ones, the smaller ones, some pink hearts, some smaller flat back pearl, and then the bigger flat back pearl, and then the star, gold stars. So there is that. And that is pretty much it for my embellishment box, I believe. Yeah, so there's that. I'm going to cover this. And then I also wanted to share a few other things that I will be sending to her as well. Some goodies. Here are some heart ribbon lace. I finally found these ones, but have yet to find the other ones in the rolls. But yeah, I wanted to send some of that to her in case she couldn't find those. I am sending these as well, felt flowers. They're really cute. I also found some of these decorative mesh, so in all 3 colors. So there's that. And I will be gifting her these wood veneers as well, so she can like alter them. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there because it has a glare. And also I will be including the velvet that she was looking for. And then I will be including this super cute hot pink bag. And then inside just have some facial mask and some cute soft lippy socks. And I am sending out some goodies. These are truffles, strawberry cream filled premium white chocolate. Also the Stroop waffles. These are so good with coffee. It's delicious. But yeah, there's that. Last but not least, this here, it just has some more goodies. We got some M&Ms, some lollipops, some like red bird, the mints that melts in your mouth, and that little mini chocolate bar. And then I just have it packaged up like this. This is supposed to be like a cookie package, but I made it like this and then added this piece here, which is from the DT. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this project share. Make sure to look out for the destash if you are interested. I will have lots of paper destashing, so yeah, keep an eye out for those, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.